Guess what, guys? It's been a month.
So pat yourself on the back. Congratulations. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Sean Myers here. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well out there. You know, my prayers are still going out for everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be going on the topic of the 4-week period, aka the 1 month mark. And that's awesome, guys. So if you've been following along, it's 1 month now. So continue on so we can discuss and talk about it, so we can see how the beard's growing, how your guys' beard's growing, and what we can expect. Also, if you're new to my channel, please go down below, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated with new videos. Welcome back to my channel again, guys. It's good to see you, and I can't believe it, but it's been a month. Can you guys believe that? It's been 1 month already, and I hope you've been joining along, because this is a big deal. This is when a beard starts becoming a beard, and where a boy starts becoming a man. So yeah, this is pretty neat. If you guys haven't been following along and you want to catch the first week where it started and you want to start from the beginning, I'll put that video up here. So yeah, so 1 month. If you haven't grown a beard before, you need to go ahead, put your hand up here, give yourself a little pat, 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 because that's awesome. Your beard's getting there. If you want to grow a ginormous beard, you're one step closer. And as always, I will go down below and put a link for you guys where to go and get some beard combs, where to go to get some beard oil, or anything that you can think of to take care of your beard. I will be there to help you guys out down in those descriptions below. So yeah, we need to get on with this video a little bit and start getting in depth with the beard. So enough with the yippity yappity. Let's get into depth with this beard a little bit and see what we got going on. I mean, how's your beard looking? Feel free to go down in the comments, leave a comment, any comment you like about a beard, whatever you like. But how's the beard coming along? It's been a month. Well, let's go ahead and show you a little bit. I know it looks a lot different from last week anyway. So underneath you can already see that it's getting so much more fuller. I mean that's a lot fuller than last week already. And as far as the patchiness, well, it's still kind of there, but that's where you got to be patient, guys. The patchiness will go away in good time. For one thing I know for sure is that it's starting to get so much more thicker. I mean, is your guys' beard starting to get thicker? Because I feel like it's tremendously fuller, thicker than it was just a week ago. And to me, that's mind-blowing, because honestly, I never recorded me growing my beard before. I usually kind of just let it grow, obviously, but yeah, it's kind of neat actually watching it grow, and each week the progress on it. Will there be patchiness still? Yeah. Will there be times when you start to get a little sad because you want more? Yeah. But keep pushing past it. I mean, my goodness, you guys got a beard. I mean, at 1 month, keep it growing, keep it groomed, and as always, I always encourage to, cut lines at the top and underneath, tidy up the beard. Always keep that beard maintained and groomed. That's the best way to achieve a really good looking, awesome beard. Yeah, I'm kind of proud, and I'm proud of you guys if you're tagging along in this. I'm really excited to see what's going to happen next with the beard. Obviously, there's not much to talk about right now. At these stages of the beard, it's kind of just a waiting game. When it starts to get a little longer and fuller, then we'll have more to talk about. Then I'll be able to show you how to comb it and groom, and I'll give you more tips on that, even how to fade in the beard if you like that, or just overall beard. I appreciate this. This is, I really enjoy doing these videos because, I've never really seen too many out there like this. I mean, each week you can stop on by, check out what the beard's looking like, get a visual, basically on what the beard's looking like. There's not too much information I can give out on the beard at this moment, because there's not too much to talk about, because we're in that stage where it's growing. You gotta take time, and when it starts to get longer, then we can, like I said, get into it, dive a little deeper. But for now, yeah, I'm excited. I'm growing my beard back. Don't have that baby face look anymore. That's not really my thing. But yeah, I'm excited. Got the beard, and I can't wait to see what's gonna happen next with the beard. Can't wait to hear from you guys how your beard's coming along. And yeah, just basically, if you want to check me out, usually I do every Friday. So if you want to check the video out, I'll be doing another video on Friday. I'm a little late this week. Had my wife's birthday and all, so I'm a couple days behind, but I'm still gonna drop another week video on Friday. So if that's something you want to check out, like I said, please like and subscribe to this channel. You know, I'll give you guys tips, I'll do what I can to help, and hopefully I can see you guys next week. Keep following me, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll see you soon. All right, guys, peace.